Hey guys, it's Sophia, and today I'm doing a very different video, but I think you guys are really gonna like it. So I'm sure you've noticed that on your Instagram feeds, all you see are Coachella pictures. Like literally, I scroll through and one after the other is Coachella, and it just looks so much fun. I just want to be there. It looks like such a good time. But if you're like me and can't afford a Coachella ticket, this video is for you because I had this idea a few days ago and I was like, I have got to make that happen. So I know Coachella weekend 1 already happened and weekend 2 might have already passed by the time this video is up, but you know what? You can have your own Coachella whenever you want. So I'm here to show you guys how we're gonna do a DIY FAUXCHELLA. My friend Olivia thought of that, so credit to her. I think it's gonna be super fun. We have a lot planned. Gonna take you through what we do. You can do this with your friends. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm at Olivia's house right now. We are about to hit up some stops and we're going to throw our own FAUXCHELLA. So let's get started. I'm here with Olivia now. We are going to #FAUXCHELLA. Yep. We are gonna go to Home Depot because we're making a teepee.
Do we know how to make a teepee?
No, but we're gonna wing it. Do they even have teepees at Coachella? Is that like a is that a thing of the past?
Why do I feel like at Coachella it's like teepees but they're on fire? And people are like dancing around them. Wait, you don't hear bands in the background. Instead you hear like
fingertips, watching with the nervous stare and wondering.
So we're here in Lowe's right now and we cannot find like the little wooden dowels that you use. Are you enjoying yourself?
I wish there was water.
I believe the atmosphere was made up when you landed here and froze me in position, thus suspended like
First stop down, now we have to hit Harris Teeter because we have to get watermelon. We all know watermelon is like the thing people eat at Coachella. Like all the pictures. You didn't know that? Maybe watermelon's a thing of the past too. No. So you know what, the thing about FAUXCHELLA is you can make the Coachella whatever you want it to be.
Yeah.
Even if teepees and watermelon aren't a thing, we're bringing them back. So we're making it our own thing.
Yeah.
So we are headed to the grocery store. Let's go. We found the watermelon. And look, it's already cut up and we can just like hold it up and eat it like in those typical pictures. Like
this is so upsetting.
So we just arrived at this baseball field because where we live we don't have any deserts like the Coachella Valley. This is our FAUXCHELLA Valley and we're just going to a random baseball field. Also, right as we pulled up, there's like a promposal going on.
But what happened was we pulled in and we're so socially awkward because we literally pulled in and we saw that there were like teens and we were like, no! We like, and they pulled out like promposal stuff.
It's because we're too scared that people are gonna judge our FAUXCHELLA. Like we should just invite them.
Yeah, we should be like, do you wanna, wait, we should be like, we're building a teepee, do you wanna join? Oh my gosh, wait.
Are you kidding me?
I'll do it. Wait, no, I won't.
Imagine us all trudging out to the baseball field, setting up a teepee, 2 pillows, and then we're just sitting there like,
I guess I'll put on the lineup.
Okay, let's set up the teepee now. Got to this little field. The baseball field's up there, but we decided to just keep it on the grass because it's more comfortable. So we have our little dowels, our 3 dowels here, and we just wrapped around some twine and tied it to get everything to stay up. Cute already.
Cute.
So we just have to add a little tapestry now to make it even cuter. Wait, so Olivia and I just built our little teepee. We draped this tapestry around it. The tapestry is cute, it's from Amazon, but it's not big enough to wrap around all the dowels, so it's just looking a little wimpy. I mean, like look at it. There's nothing in the front. It's too small to cover it.
It's got no shape.
There's no substance to our teepee. We did the best we could. Okay, anyway, let's keep moving on. Now we're going to put in some pillows, eat some watermelon, and play the Coachella lineup music. Yeah. Yay! Okay, so the next step to having your own FAUXCHELLA is to play the music, of course. So I found this playlist on Spotify. It's the whole Coachella 2018 lineup. Grab yourself a little portable speaker and you're good to go and you can jam out and to the actual Coachella songs. So that's what we're doing right now. Here we have our watermelon. Look how satisfying these slices are. Like
very satisfying.
It's actually just a really cute setup.
Yeah, wait.
taking pics. That's my favorite band. Woo!
Oh, so when you're doing FAUXCHELLA, you need to, no matter if you're in public or what, pretend there's a band there.
You
and
have
act it
to.
out. Like,
Woo!
right
Such
there.
big fans.
Honestly, there's a family across the street.
So that is an end to our FAUXCHELLA. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if it was a little bit cringy, but we were just being ourselves, having a good time. That's just like my humor. I just have a really weird sense of humor. But I had so much fun making this video. Big thank you to Olivia for being in it with me. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. It's linked down below. And let me know if you guys do a little FAUXCHELLA with your friends, because honestly, it's a lot of fun. Even though we had some dysfunctional things happen and part of it was a fail, it was still like really fun. If you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe down below and click the notification bell, because I make videos all the time. I'm trying to post so much. I make videos about lifestyle, entertainment, being real, a bunch of fun things, so it'd be awesome if you guys would stick around. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.